Welcome to Maths with Steve. I'm Steve, and today we're on day 7 of our Easter revision series. So that's a week, isn't it? Great. Okay, well done if you've stuck with it this far. I hope it's been helpful for you. If it has, please do let other people know about it. They're all designed to help people with their Maths GCSE. Right, okay, question 7. Pause the video, have a go, and then I'll go through it with you. Right, okay, so question 7. The diagram shows a right-angled triangle and a quarter circle. Great. The right-angled triangle ABC has angle ABC equals 90 degrees. Okay, it shows it's a right-angled triangle. Fantastic. The three-quarter circle has centre C, a radius CB. Okay. Work out the area of the quarter circle and give your answer correct to 3 significant figures you must show all your work in. Right, okay. This is quite simple if you think about it, right? I'm just going to draw a little circle to kind of explain it. So if I've got a circle, it's not a very good circle, but you get me. Now, here's the centre, and this is what they've labelled as C. So therefore, down C to B here is the radius, okay? And we need to find a quarter of it. Now, how do you find the area of a triangle? The area of a triangle is pi r squared. And we only want a quarter of that, don't we? So we're going to get a quarter of pi r squared. So all we need to do is find out what the radius is. Now, that's where the triangle comes in. Hopefully, you've noticed it's a right-angled triangle and we've got 2 sides, so we're going to be using Pythagoras, aren't we? So I'm going to do the triangle down at this side, so I'm going to put triangle. Okay. So it's Pythagoras, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now you can see here, this is the hypotenuse here. Therefore, this is our c. Okay. So I can say 9 squared take away 6 squared will equal, and we're looking for CB, aren't we? So I can put CB squared. Okay, so I'm just going to stick that into the calculator. So I'm going to go 9 squared minus 6 squared equals 45. Okay, so all I need to do is go 45. The square root of 45 is going to equal CB. So square root answer, and that's 3 root 5. So that equals, I'll put it down here actually, that equals 3 root 5. Okay, cool. Right, so we know that CB equals 3 root 5. 3 root 5. And if you press your SD there, you'll see there's a big, long, nasty decimal that we're not even going to be bothering with. But if you just keep it stored in your calculator, 3 root 5, it's going to be really, really easy, isn't it? Now, we've got to do pi r squared. So I'm going to do, in fact, what I'm going to do, this is the way I like to do it because it keeps it easier for me. I'm going to do answer squared. So I'm going to go answer squared, and that's going to equal 45. Oh, that's actually quite easy, isn't it? I should have thought about that earlier. Okay, so 45, and then I'm going to times that by pi, times that by pi, and that's 45 pi, or if you press your SD, you've got 141.3716, etc., etc. But we don't want that. So let me just do that for a second. We've done pi r squared. So I've gone pi r squared, which has been pi times 3 root 5 squared, which has been pi times 45. And that has equaled 45 pi, hasn't it? So I can say 45, don't know what's happened there, 45 pi. And now I just need to times that by a quarter, times by 1/4. So keep your answer in, times by 1/4. And that equals 45 over 4 pi. Now, all I need to do there is press the SD, and that's going to give me my decimal form, which is going to equal 35.7 3, 4, 2, 9, 1, 7, 3, 5. Excellent. And it wants it to 3 significant figures. Great. So all I do is I go 35 points. If you see, after that 3, it's a 4, which is less than 5, so the 3 stays the same, it's 3, and it's metre squared, but they've already put the metre squared there for you. So that's the end of that question. And look at that, again, 4 marks. 4 marks. That's 5% of the paper. A nice, easy question. Now, I have a video on Pythagoras, so I'll link that into the comments in the video as well, so that you can go through that if you need to. I've not got one yet on circles. They are coming. I'm getting there as soon as I can. Okay, I hope that's been helpful for you, and I will see you tomorrow for day 8. All right, bye.